We all know food gives us energy, but it's not the only source. In the East, we call this life force ki, and there are ways to recharge it without eating. In this video, I share 6 simple and powerful methods to restore your energy naturally. Sunlight absorption. The sun is the source of all life. It grows, heals, and enlightens everything on earth. This is the method I use most often. You simply stand under the sun and absorb its energy. You can sit down if that feels better. I place my palms towards the light because the palms are the essential energy gates in our body. I can feel the absorption more clearly this way, especially in cold weather. Stay there until you feel it's enough. When you're charged, warmth spreads through your body, filling you with life. Even if you are not actively trying to absorb it, just being in sunlight is healing. But when you do it with intention, the effect becomes much stronger. Forest presence. The forest holds powerful healing energy. Just stepping inside can begin to recharge your body. I live in the mountains next to the forest, but walking into the forest always feels different. There's something sacred about that space. The air in the forest is the purest you can breathe. That alone is an energy source. Rest there. Walk there. Breathe it in. Let the forest surround you. Feel your body syncing with its rhythm. Barefoot grounding. Walking barefoot is another way to recharge. The earth is a powerful energy source, but modern life keeps us disconnected from it. But be mindful, this is not the earth. Concrete, asphalt, and artificial surfaces are not alive. They are man-made, chemical, toxic, and disconnected from the natural current. To really connect, walk on living ground, soil, grass, sand, or stone. Let your feet feel the earth directly. Let the energy rise through your body. But don't do this in extreme cold. None of these methods are about forcing yourself through discomfort. Do it in a way that feels natural and good to you. Water. Water is one of the purest forms of energy. It refreshes, cleanses, and revitalizes the body. But not all water is the same. Pools and tap water in the city are often dead water. To truly charge your energy, immerse yourself in living water. A flowing creek, a river, or the sea. I personally prefer creeks, not just because I live in the mountains, but because they are the purest. Swim, bathe, or simply sit in the water. Feel its energy renewing yours. Do all of these methods with gratitude for nature. They are giving and healing us for nothing, expecting nothing in return, and they do feel your gratitude. Disconnect to reconnect. The first 4 methods involve nature. This one involves only you. When you feel drained, disconnect. There are too many thoughts, tasks, distractions, and pressures pulling at you. Let them go, even for a moment. Find a space. Rest in any position that feels comfortable to you. Try to relax as much as you can, both body and mind. We are not designed to be in constant motion. When your body and mind are tired, they need to rest. Stop, recharge, return when you feel ready. The rhythm of nature. Unlike the other methods, this one is not instant, it's a lifestyle. We are part of nature, yet so many live against its rhythm. We stay up late, wake up tired, move when we should be resting, and feel out of sync. But when we return to nature's rhythm, everything begins to align. Wake up when the world wakes, sleep when the world sleeps, live like nature, rest like nature. When you are in nature, the birds sing so loud and beautifully in the early morning. When the sun comes up, all the trees and plants seem so joyful, and you want to be part of that. You don't want to miss it. At night, the forest turns quiet, calm, and magical, and you don't want to be the one making noise. You want to sink into the stillness with them. When we go against the rhythm of nature, we invite illness, but when we follow it, we thrive. These are 6 simple yet powerful ways to charge your energy. There are many others, but I chose methods that are easy, natural, and safe, so anyone can try them. Energy is all around us. You just need to tap into it. I hope this was helpful. Wish you strength on your journey.